up for sale. 1986 Chevy, what the hell? C20 Suburban. Okay, C20 Suburban, 1986, up for sale. I'm gonna walk around and tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 86 Suburban, C20. There's a lot of cool things about this truck, and I'll get through them all as I go. So 3/4 ton. Now I had a 3/4 ton, but I didn't realize how heavy duty this truck is compared to the previous one. It has the 454 in it. It's got a 14 bolt rear. From the factory, you can see the heavy duty leaf springs down there, and I'm about to lay on the ground right now and show you this real quick. I got pictures of this stuff. Where is it at? There it is. I gotta get up there. Like that thing. That's some heavy duty shit, pardon my French. I mean, the truck just seems bigger. It's got the lights. It's definitely, I just gotta keep saying heavy duty. But anyway, it's 119,000 miles on the body. The body was factory Ziebart, so you know what that means. It's pretty much rust-free. The 454 motor has been rebuilt, so now you're talking about a preserved body with the mechanics being nicely, redone. Everything pretty much works. It's got an updated radio, a CB radio, which is kind of cool. I'm jumping around. Look, those tires are huge, and I like the hubcap on them. So let's get started. The front bumper actually looks really, really nice. These black pieces here are in nice condition as well. It's got a fan in there. I don't know if that's factory or not, but there's a cooler for the AC. The AC does work. Hood alignment is nice. There's a little scuff there. A couple little chips here. Now, this is a different piece of metal, so that faded just a little bit there. It's not smaller on the other side. Just a little bit smaller right there. All the glass is in excellent condition. You got the bigger mirrors here. And in case you're curious, these are 235/85R16. The 454 rebuilt. It has headers, AC, power steering, power brakes. It's a Silverado, so you have your AC and your power windows and your power door locks. The power door locks have been updated, so when you stick the key in there and you turn it on, the door is locked. So it's a little more advanced rather than just clicking the button. There's a little bubble right there from where that was added on. A little peel of the paint there. Again, pretty much all original paint for the most part. This is nice down there. That's nice. This looks pretty much new. And there's a bubble, and there's a bubble. Couple stone chips. Again, nothing there. It's got brand new dual exhaust that sound badass, especially because it has headers. Got your stickers there. Underdoor is nice. The only real thing that was changed on the car is that they put in a front leather bench seat combo with this. I mean, it's not bad. It's nice. It's in excellent condition. And it's comfortable. The guy said he was really tall, which he was. I saw him. So he wanted something a little bit more comfortable. It hurt his back. However, the dash, other than this one crack, looks like new pretty much. You get a couple little spots there, and you see the 119 right there. Well, it's 19, it rolls over. It's got the updated radio system and the CB radio, which is cool. You sit here chatting up on the phone if you want, talking to the truckers as you go. Carpet's real nice as well. Console with the remote and a pencil. The paint on the dash is really, really nice. All the door jambs like that are super, super nice condition. And you see some of these tabs from being a Ziebart truck, which is cool. To the next door. No, I know you see the couple bubbles down there, like I pointed out. And I'll get to that soon. So right there, a little bit of flakiness. Nothing too bad, just a little flakiness. I have the antenna for the CB radio if you wanted to use it. If you wanted to just disconnect it, disconnect it. Like I said, a couple more Ziebart tabs. And this middle row bench seat is mint. And the headliner is also in excellent condition too, with the working light. Okay. If you're familiar with the other Suburbans that I have had, I always look for something that kind of stands out. The first one was mint low miles, Texas owned. The second one was a four-wheel drive that was almost kind of restored, if you want to look at it that way. That was low miles. The third one was a diesel that was Southern owned, that was, you know, rust-free. So when I saw this one, I liked that. One, it was super heavy duty, of course, with the 14 bolt and the 454. I liked that the 454 was rebuilt because, you know, as these 80s motors kind of get up in mile, they start to go out here and there. So rebuilding that was really nice. So all the mechanics are super, super nice. And actually, this is the nicest driving one of the bunch. And I liked that it was Ziebart as well. So that, you know, as the body miles go up, the preservation of the truck, you know, stays nice. You get where I'm going with this. Back bumper is nice. You got the tow hitch. All that black is nice as well. And this is really nice too. I'm noticing that. That piece. I mean, that's bent, but this is plastic. Maybe a little rubbing there, something going in and out when the tailgate is down. It is power rear window. And now I gotta walk back to the front. And I will turn it on for you. And show you that go down. I think you just heard the doors click as I did that. It might have picked it up. You know, a little bit of wear here because you're leaning on it like that, just to rub it in, or going in and rub it on that, like a suitcase maybe, for example. That's nice and clean down there, which I do like. Another area where water would get in. You got a big spare, and the nice big back row. It was a third row truck. You know, if you want to put the third row back in, by all means. But it is pretty nice and heavy. I know there's a blemish down there, probably from, I don't know what, stone chip, maybe something bumped up on it, but there's no bubbles. It's nice and clean in there. Again, those big heavy duty tires. And the guard down there. I like that. It gives it this beefy look with the mud flaps in the back as well. Let's see down here. I don't see any bubbling on this outer door. And nothing here. A couple little marks on the door right there. And it's very clean. The interior is very clean as well. I mean, all the door panels, the seats. So the guy replaced this, like I said, he put this in. He said the back seat was like this. The front seat was like this. Of course, that's preferable, but at least they're comfortable and they match. A little flakiness right on this paint there on the door, but that's not going through. Like I said, there's nothing coming through on that side. And the rest of the door is nice, and this under door is nice as well. Ziebart tabs. This piece of trim on both sides is also nice. Even the door jambs are really nice here. Got the antenna in there. So it has new exhaust too. I think I said that. You'll hear it. It sounds badass. I did say that. Yeah, because I said it was badass then too. Anyway, will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. And I'm getting into something new now with my website. It takes me like 45 minutes to upload a car to the site. Now I'm going to have a file. You click on the picture of the truck. It takes you to the ad again. And from there you can click on a file, or I'm going to have just more pictures. Rather than the 24 that I'm allowed to put on eBay, I'm going to have a bunch of pictures. So you can get a better idea of the truck. There's just a little blister in the paint down there. But you see the rest of the Ziebart tabs. And again, super, super nice leather seats here. And normally I read them off, but there's way too many options on this. I don't feel like it. You can see for stabilizer, locking, 7.4 liter, Canyon copper, HD trailing special, and roof marker lamp. See, that's the other one I had didn't have it. It's a 3.73 14 bolt rear. So yeah, like I said, I had this on the ad. So thanks for watching, and we will fire it up now. And actually, I will open the engine real quick. A couple little rubbing marks right there. Let me pop the hood. The Suburban videos always take me a little bit longer because there's so much to show. Underhood super nice, and all this original black is nice as well. The original tag, AC system R13A. I think that's converted to that. There's an old tag down there, but all this is nice. It still has the jack, and this stuff is super clean. And the tire iron is over there, and there's the 454 with the headers on it. You can see down there. So yeah. And the back firewall, super nice too. Get my hand out of the way. So thanks for watching. We'll fire it up now, and then we will take it for a spin. Thank you. Alrighty, here we go. 454. Like I said, we are gonna fire it up now.